Where mountains embrace the restless sea, San Fernando City, La Union stands as a coastal jewel, shaped by time, guarded by the Ilocos, and alive with resilience, culture, and pride. San Fernando's waves echo ancient legacies, while its winds carry the scent of sacrifice. From the solemn Pindangan ruins to Sunset Bay's golden glow, it is a city of contrast, calm yet fierce, old yet ever evolving. This is not just a city. This is a stage where tradition dances with progress, where every sunrise brings a promise, and every sunset a legend. This is San Fernando, and it is unforgettable.
Welcome to students and teachers. We have arrived at our first destination, the Pindangan Ruins. I am Mr. Camarillo and I will be your tour guide for this place. Follow me! The Pindangan Ruins, remnants of San Fernando's first Catholic church, built in 1764, mark the area's religious beginnings and the union of two settlements. Pindangan comes from the Ilocano word for a place where wheat is sun-dried, reflecting early local livelihood.
Glitch ba yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Time travel? Ang galing! So, yung mga old stone walls at remnants ng original structure ay nandito pa rin ngayon. In fairness, it's been 216 years already. And it's so peaceful here, with its historical markers surrounding greenery, creating solemn environments.
I think its benefits are preserving local heritage and religious history while offering educational insight for tourists and students. However, I think it needs better conservation efforts because it is overlooked by a modern tourist in favor of more commercial spots.
Nasa pass ulit tayo. Nakuhanan mo ng picture, ate? Dapat na-capture natin yung pass.
Oo, pero konti lang. Send ko na lang mamaya sa GC.
Sige po, ate.
Alright class, Pindangan ruins may be silent now, but they once stood as the spiritual heart of city of San Fernando. Despite the years, they still evoke a deep connection to faith and the history.
Time traveler or not, welcome to Paksid Ridge, a crucial battleground in the 1944-1945 Philippines campaign.
Sir, can you put your gun down? It's freaking me out.
Oh, so ito na nga yun, the historical site with a strategic view of the city. What a scenic mountainous terrain.
No, right? It honors our war heroes and preserves wartime memories. Additionally, it provides education to those who's interested in history of the World War II. But, however, it lacks proper signages, memorial markers, or in worst-case scenarios, access is limited only. Okay lang. Visiting Baksil Ridge is a great opportunity that reminds me of the courage and sacrifice of our ancestors. It's not just a battlefield. It is a reminder of how peace was hard-earned.
What happened, Bella? Where is Raya again?
I know, Baksil Ridge, right? I think we're lost.
This is not it. Fight me. I trusted you to guide us. I thought you knew, but you did not. I will make sure you die, Ferrer. I will make sure you die.
Excuse me, sir. I'm guessing you're lost. You're already here at Baxel Ridge. Are you here for a tour of the city? Wanna join with us for our next destination?
Dear tourists, we're stepping in at the Botanical Garden, located here at Kadaklan, San Fernando City, La Union. This garden is a haven for both the plants and animal lovers. It showcases native and exotic plants, landscape trails, and occasionally houses animals.
Naaalala ko ang lugar na ito. It blends education and recreation while promoting environmental awareness. Ideal for picnics and photography, it holds childhood memories of family strolls, feeding the monkeys, and dropping coins in the wishing well.
Tama, but some areas may need maintenance, and there's only limited transportation if you don't have a private vehicle.
You're right, my dear students. This garden is a hidden gem. It offers a peaceful escape from the city, and every visit feels like therapy. It's where I go when I need a mental reset.
Who knows about the famous temple in the town, the Taoist Temple? Built in 1977 to honor Mazu, symbolizes Chinese-Filipino influence in La Union and promotes cultural tolerance. Led by Dai Kehyo, it was supported by former Secretary Tourism, Jose D. Aspiras.
So amazing, man. The vibrant architecture with intricate crayon carving is so creative. It overlooks the sea, offering a scenic and spiritual experience.
You're right, Belle. I guess it really just promotes cultural diversity and a good and quiet place for meditation and reflection.
Hey, you know what? I'm not Taoist, but I feel a deep sense of peace standing in front of temple's grand entrance facing the sea.
Yeah, I agree. This place for faith and its beauty.
Wide and linear these places are. Imagine a city hall just facing the plaza and the Capitol just nearby this. A big road.
Pay attention, class. So, since we're dealing with the city's heart, I will give you a quiz later. So, I want you to know the significant people who make this city and promise amazing and also name previous events that was held in this city.
If you only kept your mouth shut, we wouldn't have any breezes.
Our next destination includes 3 notable schools, 1 university, and 2 private institutions. We'll head first to Lorma, slightly going north to SLC, then going back south to Dixie. Of course, despite knowing these schools, it is still essential for you to explore their facilities.
pa yan ha. No using of cell phones. It should be your own answer. Part of the trip, a sense of tranquility through the waves. The area will be divided into three: the Baywalk, the Lighthouse, and the Thunderbird Resorts and Casinos, all of which we can roam around at once. San Fernando Baywalk was developed in the late 2000s, early 2010s, as part of the city's coastal beautification and tourism initiative. It serves as a public space for recreation, events, and scenic views. Nonetheless, littering is rampant.
I guess the view will be more appropriate at night, like having dinner with your family, watching your kids play, watching the sunset, or just simply walking around feeling the cold, breezy wind from the sea.
Oy, te, baka mag-imagine ka naman para kang pamilyadong tao. Super OA.
Grabe ka naman, te.
Pwede namang maulat, di ba?
San Fernando Lighthouse, or di parola ng San Fernando, dates back to the late 1800s. Originally the guiding ships to the port, a key trading hub during the Spanish and American rule located at Borough Point. It symbolizes the region's maritime heritage.
Do you think if I place myself where the light from the lighthouse shines, I would not be able to lose any more?
Ha? Hindi pa obvious. Of course, you wouldn't get lost na. May ilaw eh.
Well, then, I hope I can see you.
Thunderbird Resort and Casinos. Opened in 2006 on the former Wallace Air Station, a U.S. military base repurposed into a tourism and investment zone under the Borough Point Freeport Zone.
Di sana hindi na ako sumama, no? By fair pala. What if magkasino na lang ako, baka doon ako malaan?
I felt like I went to Santorini, Greece today, ha? The resort is giving. Super mahal nga lang. Pero, huy! Nakapasok ako! Perfect ka dyan, te. Oh, how's my class? Did you have your peace of mind after taking your quiz? So you should have felt the therapy here, okay? If not, I guess, the one more place for you is to unwind, okay?
If you didn't enjoy much for last place, I hope you can fulfill it here. Especially since we were able to have a sunset viewing at 6:22 p.m. So, time check, we have still a little time for this hidden beach near barangay areas offer pure, laid-back views, free to access, and peaceful and uncrowded. Perfect for those seeking solitude, though the amethyst are scarce. So come here.
I think the comfort facilities don't matter. What matters the most is the sense of comfort it truly brings to people because of the more peaceful surrounding this beach has.
Grabe, kanina bumabanat kayo parang nasa pageant.
Iba talaga kapag seryoso, no? Sana all panalo sa utak at puso.
Kayo naman, nag-English lang ako yung agad mag-react.
Last, let yourselves enjoy, okay? Roam around, take pictures, relax, before we get focused on our sunset later. This will be the last on our trip, and dito na kayo mag-unwind ng gusto, okay, class?
Meanwhile,
it will be the lucky sport for the whole trip. I think it is the perfect time for me to confess. I am secretly calling for you, Bella.
Bella, I have been feeling the same.